Let's build your SaaS in 4 easy steps with $0. Hi, my name is Fran and I build softwares for a living, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna be able to build one for $0 in 4 easy steps. Step number 1, you're gonna validate your idea. Your friend, family, you even have an idea for an amazing tool, software or app, and you think it's gonna be revolutionary and it's gonna change the world. Let me tell you a secret that I learned from years of building softwares. You don't actually know that. You don't know if your idea is something that market actually wants. So as we have $0, we need to find that market and ask them, do they even want to pay for a software that you think is going to change their lives? So in order to do that, you need to go on the internet and find where they're hanging around. So you're going to find a place on the internet where your targeted market is spending their time, and you're going to go there and ask them, is this a tool they would pay money for? If they give you a lot of yeses and not much no's, then you have validated your idea. But as we are starting at $0, we can't test the best validating idea theory, and that's actually spending some money on Facebook or Google ads and sending them to a landing page where they can opt in for free, and then evaluating the real results by the paid ads. That's what we are doing in our company called Softify. Then after we validate the idea and we have a lot of thumbs up and not a lot of no's, then we're gonna go to step number 2, and that's gonna be heading to Bubble. Bubble is a no-code platform where you can build a fully functional software of any need that can support up to 100,000 subscribers/users, and you can do it as a non-technical person. We are doing it, you can do it. So you're gonna go there and you can watch their tutorials, their courses, and you can learn how to build on Bubble. After you build your tool on Bubble or software, you're gonna head out to step number 3, and that's building your front end, your landing page on Webflow. Webflow is a CMS platform where you can build websites and landing pages for softwares that's gonna be looking pretty neat, clean, good looking, and you can at the end really SEO optimize it in order to get a lot of users organically. So you're gonna have your front end on Webflow with your main domain, and then you're gonna have your actual app, your actual software on the subdomain on Bubble. After you combine that and you follow the step number 1 where you actually genuinely validated your idea, you're going to step number 3, and that's actually generating users. The best way to generate users for $0 is to become a content creator or to create content and provide value for the hyper-specific problem in your market where you are trying to land your software. So let me give you a real-life example. Let's say I want to build a software for e-commerce owners. I'm gonna go out online, provide as much value as possible for e-commerce owners, and I'm gonna create a community where I'm gonna continue providing as much value as possible. So in that community, I'm gonna be providing value for e-commerce. When I gain their trust, I'm gonna start infiltrating my software inside of that community. Let me give you an example. I don't know, you have a lot of e-commerce owners struggling with tracking, and they complain about tracking, and you say, hey, this is a tool you can use that we built that can enhance your tracking, and we're gonna be here as a support to help you out in order to use the tool and actually make the best out of it. Let's say you, throughout your content and throughout you actually genuinely giving value online, you create a community of 1,000 people, and just 10% of them continue using your software. You're gonna have 100 active users, and let's say you charge $50 a month. That's gonna be $5,000 in monthly recurring revenue for your software. And if we follow a 20-30x multiplier rule that's applied to every software that's doing good, you can basically exit your software one day at the price of $1 million or $2 million. Pretty neat for a tool and a business model you can build in 4 easy steps. But if you don't want to go through all of this by yourself, you're non-technical, you don't want to stress your head around APIs and figuring out how to basically create a sticky product that market actually wants, you can check the link in the description and you can see what we are doing with Softify, which is our company that helps individuals or businesses like you to build and launch their first software in less than 30 days at extremely affordable prices. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you liked it. Press like, subscribe, and give me your opinion in the comment section. I'm gonna be more than happy to reply to it and have a discussion with you in a comment section. And that's basically it. See ya to the next one.